Hey everybody!
Hey.
Hi! A really cool family is going to come over to our house today.
Oh!
LiaLico channel!
Yay! LiaLico, hi!
Hi! You guys are gonna play with a couple of tweens. Do you know what a tween is?
Yeah, it's not a teenager, but it's in the middle of a little girl and a teenager.
Exactly! Okay. And they're twins, that's right. We see
Okay,
them.
chop, let's go. MC Square! Equals MC Square! Cheerleaders! MC Square! Is the audience here yet?
We're gonna get to finally meet them. We're super excited.
Okay.
So they'll be here really soon.
Okay, chop, let's go. Where's the box? Oh my god, they're here! Yes!
Hi!
こんにちは。
どうぞ。アレックスとオリビア。Olivia and Alex.
No.
Hi, come in guys. 本当に狭い。Oh, so nice to meet you finally. It's a Barcelona style. Hola. Hello. Nice to meet you. Sorry, is a hug okay? You're sure? Okay. Nice to meet you. While the kids are playing in the other room, the adults are hanging out, talking, sharing stories.
I've not seen that before. I mean these. Yes.
How about this one?
This one, no.
No?
I haven't seen it before. Because I didn't see the logo. I was expecting a wasabi taste.
確かに。
Who took the shark game?
Who took the shark game?
Right here.
Probably. Just we've moved. It's over there. What are you doing, honey?
Setting up a board game.
Olivia's favorite board game in the world. Still.
Let's take out the
So in
shark.
total over 10 years.
Chomp. Nice.
Is he a nice shark or a mean shark?
How
So-so.
do you write down from?
So-so.
Yeah.
So-so.
And we're gonna have a little foo-foo talk, right? Couples talk. So for our viewers who don't know you guys, I don't think there are any, but just in case, can you do like a quick self-intro, please?
I'm Mama from LiaLico Channel. 日本語でねずっとね、アイシャさんと会いたかったのでちょっと会ってみたらすごいなんか気さくな方で
気さく? What does that mean? 気さく?
So friendly.
Oh, friendly! Okay, okay.
Yeah. 私たちもアイシャさんと同じように8年ぐらい前から YouTube チャンネルを始めてLiaLicoチャンネルって言って家族のブログを撮ってるチャンネルでこちらはダディ、イギリス人のダディ
Konnichiwa. I'm an expert at eating snacks.
止まらないの日本のスナック大好きで
We've been married for what, 27 years? Yeah.
If cool.
27 years. Wow.
先輩ね。そう、夫婦先輩. Yeah, you're the senpais, right?
And we met in Tokyo, but we've lived in quite a few different countries. We're currently living in Barcelona.
Hold on, you guys, just 1 second. This thing is driving me crazy. This is like the best invention ever. Look at this. When you're cooking, you do this, and you can. Isn't this amazing? I love this. You have-
I need to have that.
yeah, and then when you're done, you can just toss it.
Where did you buy it?
I don't
This is
know.
a perfect example. I mean, somebody make it, all right? You want to?
Yeah,
In
seriously.
fact, forget that.
Yeah, where did you get it?
There you go.
Oh, it's-
Oh, I love this kitchen. Like, look at these drawers. You have 6 children. Okay, so tell us about your kids.
どうぞ。
長男が26歳、次男が24歳、三男が19、四男が17で、その後になんと双子の12歳の子がいます。男の子4人、女の子2人。
Yeah. Now, why Barcelona?
Well, how long have you got?
話せよ、長い。
長いです。
でも仕事でしょ？
最初、香港、インドネシア、また香港、マルタ、あとマドリッド行った時に私たちはバルセロナにいたんだけど、早期退職をして。
We ended up in Malta because of my work. We weren't really happy with the school in Malta because the summer holiday in Malta was very long, like 12 weeks. Right? Miho went to Barcelona with the kids to put them into Japanese school for the end of that term, and they had a great time. We came back to Malta and we were sitting on the terrace of our house talking about how great the Japanese school had been in Barcelona. I turned to Miho and I said, do you think we should move the family to Barcelona? And she said, yes. And I said, okay. And so that was it.
Six children. How are you not going crazy?
We've been crazy.
Actually, yeah, it's becoming a lot easier now.
Yeah.
I mean, the youngest is now 12. So when you have the first one, it changes your life. I think it's just chaos, right? The second one is like, oh my God. The third one was like, okay, that's all right. The fourth one was like, where's he gone? Then having twins, it was, again, a step up. But
He was mostly in the office. Well, that's why he thinks it's easy. Can you imagine? Yeah, Tomoya engine 14 and 12, Kai 6 and Kazu's 5, and twin babies on my own. One more bed. Around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock before the dinner time, I normally shout at kids because I go crazy, you know?
Yeah. Did you cry? I would have been crying, I think, the whole time.
なんかこうノイローゼンだったりってなかったんですか？
Well, that's what I did.
Go crazy, yeah.
I was just shouting, you know.
そうですね。
Yeah.
宿題しなさい、ご飯食べなさい。
サバイブ。
How did you survive it? Yeah.
I did something that I like. I did the flamenco.
自分の時間を作る。
いや、自分の時間を作るということもすごい大切。
ベビーシッターとかは？
あ、ベビーシッターもいました。
Okay, good. Yeah.
ベビーシッターっていうか、お掃除に来てくれる人、家の。
ああ、家事の。
Yeah, the kaji really helps.
Yeah.
I always tell people when they tell me I'm going crazy, what do? The first thing I say is, if you can afford it, get somebody to help you clean the house and to cook your food. Like, those are not things that the parents need to do. We don't like to clean, so for the past 3 years, we've had a cleaning person come.
シルバーサービスとかのやつ。
そう、シルバー。
Our family in Hiroshima, they use as well. It's called the silver service. We like to do something after 65 or something, but you know, we're not that old.
yeah.
You know,
Don't get any ideas, okay? I'm not planning to.
if you can get the help, get the help.
Yeah.
I think.
離れる時間が必要。
そうですね。
The biggest thing for us to prevent us from going crazy has been spending time apart from the kids and the family and spending time on your own.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
Yeah.
You need to enjoy yourself. That's why I started flamenco. I think less work, you know, when Stuart wasn't there.
Yeah.
And it was a relief actually. Well, sorry, but it's funny that when Stuart's at home, I feel like I don't want to do housework.
Oh.
Do you feel that way?
I never want to do housework. If Taka's there, here, he could be anywhere. I never want to do housework.
You do have some like mental blackouts. You know?
No.
Like,
Wait. Let me explain.
記憶が忘れてる。
no, like,
記憶を書き換えるね。
He said they
Yeah,
changed the
yoga.
past.
When you're cleaning and doing cooking, when your partner is just sitting there looking at TikTok or something, you get frustrated. I'm doing
Oh
housework.
my
でもそれ言われてもやめたやろ。
Thank you. And then he stopped because you know what happened? Okay, I'm sorry, Stuart, you will get your chance to talk, but let me say my piece. Hold on. Taka took a dedication for a week. He went and got a hotel, hung out on his own, programmed most of the day, and I realized I wasn't as frustrated, even though I was taking care of the kids 24 hours a day on my own, and then I realized it's because it's not unbalanced. What was frustrating me was the fact that one person was doing more work than the other one, and I saw it as unfairness.
great, so I need a dedication.
So you should take a dedication. Yeah, and mommycation, どっちもね。But then you
Golf.
golf, you
You do have a mental block on things that I do. I mean, if I'm doing something, it's like your memory system shuts down, right? You know, when Tom was a baby, you know, you said I never ever helped when he was waking up during the night, but I always used to get up and make milk feed him, put him back to sleep, and then go back to sleep.
Yeah, Taka says that. She says, I did so much and you
remember it
don't.
at all. She doesn't remember it at all.
Yeah, she didn't remember. Yeah.
Because you're asleep.
Oh, because you're asleep, huh? Okay.
みほさんが自分が受けてきた子育てあるでしょ。日本流の子育て。自分の家庭はどういう子育てをしてる？
母が中学の先生だったので、金八先生って思う金八先生みたいで、本当に問題のある子供の言うこともすごい聞いてくれるような人だったんですよ。
話を聞いてくれる。
そうそう、だから子供たちの話もすごい聞いてくれて、で、子供たちが何かやりたいって言ったことを絶対否定しない人だったの。She's not a traditional Japanese mother。一番いいと思ったのが、点を取って持って帰って見せた時に、どんな点を取っても褒めてくれるってなるんですね。で、もっと頑張らなきゃって言われたことがないの。一回もっと頑張らなきゃって長男に私が言っちゃったことがあって、そしたらね、長男がすごい寂しい顔をしたの。もうこんなに頑張ったのにって言って、あ、ね、私はこんなこと言われてないのに私が言っちゃダメだなと思って、それからは子供たちにあ、よく頑張ったねだけを言うようにして、頑張らなきゃダメよっては言わないようにするように。
The kids are still playing, and we're gonna keep chatting. Now we're gonna film a video for Miho's channel. Be sure to go and check that out. We'll have more interesting conversations on there.
はい。
ぜひぜひ見てて
よろしくお
ください。
願いします。
Thank you very much for coming over today, and we will
Thank you
see
for
you
inviting us.
Yes.
It's been so nice.
next time in Spain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next Spain, in Barcelona, yeah. Alright, so everybody join us on their channel next.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.